What's up, guys? Remy with Excess Power here, and we've got a pretty cool one in our warehouse today. This is David. This is a 2006 STI, and he's having some battery issues, but as you can see right there, we're going to solve those. Let me show you what we're working with. All right, so right off the bat, David's STI isn't stock. It's got an upgraded engine, an upgraded turbo, upgraded fuel pumps. It's on the 85. It's got a whole bunch of things, but he's got this factory battery in here, and he's pulling a lot more current from his electrical system than normal. Plus, the factory battery's heavy. This is borderline race car. So we're going to swap over to our Titan8 PWR-S5-1200 size, which is very close to a direct fit on the STIs. Anywhere from 03 to 2014, this size will fit. It's a fitment level 2, which basically means that the group size that we have that'll fit is our 1200 size. So our D1200, our S1200, and then our PWR-S5-1200 size should drop down in here, and we're going to show you what fitment level 2 means. On our website, it's going to say that it requires bending a tab or something like that, and we'll show you that right now. All right, here's the two side by side, and you can see there's about a ½ inch difference, but we're going to go ahead and get it put in right now. And the carbon fiber almost matches.
Oh, it does. It's cool looking.
Almost.
That's not going anywhere.
You gotta slap it. You gotta slap it.
That's not going anywhere.
So we had to get down to pretty much the last thread on this side right here. This side tightened down super easy, but we're literally to the very bottom. One thing that you could do is put a washer or a spacer underneath that nut right there. Good to go. So the last thing that you'll do is you'll tighten down your battery terminals, and then you just want to crank her on up.